Hello viewer, we are in Photoshop for editing, so here we will use the selection tool, add some filters. We are using the camera raw filter here. Exposure, apply some temperature. So there is a amount, radius. So that it is here we will apply different options. Again for the further razor tool, we are using on it. So here we are creating different strange designs with that